Seriously? Nobody? Nobody else got the call. Percy. 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 What are you doing? Percy? Percy, did you get the call too?
No. I just wanted to see my rescue.
You just went to the rescue? What?
No one understands me.
Hey.
Dad, you don't understand me.
Stop. Hey.
Spoiler alert,
Hey,
spoiler alert, spoiler alert.
Percy?
What?
Shh. There's a camera. Ah! No, Percy! You idiot! Get back up there!
I want to sleep.
No!
Watch
We're supposed
this.
to talk about. What are you doing?
It's not jumping.
Look, I just got a call from some moron saying we had to give like a sneak peek or whatever for the show we're doing. Percy, stop.
You're
Percy,
priceless, guys. You're priceless.
Percy, get away from the camera.
You're priceless.
That was like one of the things that the guy's possessed by. Don't smack into the camera, because apparently some like higher control doesn't like that whenever you smack into the cameras. Percy,
What?
you Percy,
I think it's broke glass.
we have to. There's no glass.
There's that cup over there. It looks glass.
That's
I'm
not.
not sure.
It's plastic. What? Where? What cup? Oh.
Blue one.
Oh yeah, that's totally glass.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I broke side of it. Oops.
So, Percy.
What? I just think of the sky because it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a really nice.
About to be on a roll.
No, don't.
We're
Don't.
gonna be going on a roll soon, okay?
Gonna be going on a roll. Ha!
Yeah.
Man, that was a good joke. Okay.
What?
So,
I like jokes.
so wait. Okay.
Bubble
So
gum
we have.
get over here.
I don't wanna. Percy.
What?
We have to tell
Bubble
the
gum, this is your
camera.
spot.
No, Percy. You don't understand. We have to tell the camera. What?
Hey,
what?
camera, guess
No,
what's happening?
no, don't run
It's gonna
into
be
the
an awesome
camera.
movie. We're done. This is terrified.
I'm not terrified.
You're acting terrified in the movie.
It's not a movie. It's a show.
I like this.
And
really
I was
cool.
not terrified.
I like this like flat screen.
I'm the only smart one.
I like this like flat screen.
You talking about
over here?
the weird monitor thing over here?
Yeah, it shows you what you're doing.
Yeah, it is. It is
Ooh, I
kind of
look
a
pretty.
weird thing.
I look pretty.
Percy.
Oh, what?
Stop. Percy. Percy. Ow. Percy.
I look beautiful. Ah,
Okay. No, Percy. Percy, back off. Going to move it back.
Come on, man. Towards me.
Percy.
What?
Okay, so our show is called. Whoa! Hey, what is happening? What are you doing? What are you doing, Percy? Percy. Percy.
If someone throws up in
Stop.
this, it doesn't matter.
It does
That's
matter.
your mommy.
Oh my gosh.
What is wrong with me?
Percy.
Everything. What?
Percy.
What?
I am so glad you are not in this scene.
Ooh.
Actually, you've not been in many scenes recently, but that is not important to
What are
you.
having bandages on?
That is not important to viewers. Viewers, we are doing a show called Minis of the Magic Railroad. It's got freaking talking trains.
Like
That,
that.
wow, that was we really don't have much to say, do we? Like without spoiling anything. I guess can we go?
Emily's sweet.
Can we go? Can we go?
Emily's a nice character. How about that? That's the only thing I can say.
That's not. Emily's not even in this.
Yeah, she is.
No, she isn't.
She's a creepy stalker who thinks you're sucky. He's a sucker.
What are you even talking about?
Well, in the movie.
In the movie, we didn't. In the movie that we didn't make because we made a show and not a movie.
Episodes. I don't care which one is it. This is mine.
What are you doing? Hey, Percy! 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 Stop it! Percy! Percy! You're going to mess with the battery, and the battery is unsafe, and give me...
I hope this thing doesn't break.
There we go. Percy! Percy! Get...
Hello!
Stop it! Stop!
Ow, that hurt!
Percy! Give me
Let me
the
go!
camera back!
Let go, let go, let go! want to
No,
go
don't do
Lego.
Get off. Legos. Yeah, Legos are sweet. Get off the camcorder.
Hey, no, that's it. I turned it
No,
off.
no, don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. What are you doing?
Turn it off.
Get off.